Hey guys, Jake at TOMS Bronco Parts. We're down here with the guys from Brand New Muscle Car. David and his crew have done an amazing job. They're rebuilding an early Bronco. We got to see it yesterday. The quality of the build is amazing. Today, the owner's supposed to come in. He's gonna go take it for a test drive. I can't wait to see his reaction. We'll get you guys some pictures of the build. It's gonna be at SEMA. We'll give you a little teaser. You can see it, check it out. And then if you're in SEMA, make sure you go to their booth and check it out as well.